Today we have inventory. We've been waiting for both our atelier and also sourcing the material before we design the prints. Welcome back. You're watching Aciero in Amsterdam. Today I'm back again to give you some insights about the design studio. Today I'm so happy that we finally received our printed prints that we are going to use to make our silk masks. So for most of you who don't know the process of me designing the silk masks, what we do is we first print. If it's either pure color or we are using prints, we first send it out to a manufacturer who does textile. Our textiles, the pure silk we use, because it's really important that we use the best silk. So we make sure that this silk looks exactly the way we want before we send it to our studio or our atelier to make the silk masks or the silk scarves or any other product we are designing in silk. So today we finally received our package from FedEx, and as you know, I don't know what's wrong with FedEx, but I've been waiting for this package. It almost took 2 weeks. Normally we use DHL. DHL takes 2 to 3 days or 5 days max, and this time I was getting impatient. So finally I received it, and I tried to cut it to see what's in. It had an invoice and that kind of thing, and all of a sudden I saw that the things were there. So what I need to do is going to look at the materials, because I don't want to spoil everything. That's why I didn't show you the things that were in the package. So I didn't show you that because I didn't want to spoil. So just wait and see the collection we have designed for you guys. Just wait and see, because you're going to be shocked. You're going to be like, whoa, really? You're going to be amazed and blown away. So for most of you who are here and you're like, yeah, we don't know, and we're like, I assure you, believe me, we also have some products we are going to launch also, maybe like the sleep masks. We also, I think we may be launching some pajamas and silk cushions. We are not yet sure. We are going to see how these things go. We are going to first introduce a few products on the market and see how they work. And for most of you who don't know about the silk mask we design and we sell on our website, please check it below. We also cater to our wholesale consumers. If you're a business or you're a retailer and you want to sell our masks in your shop, please don't hesitate to contact us. And we're so happy to work with so many companies and so many of you who come and buy our products on retail price. We are also happy for your business, and I'm going to be working the whole day on new prints for you guys to shine. I know it's a bad thing, the crippling, but we have to make the best out of the situation, because we cannot go back to the way things were. We have to find a way of progressing to the new way. So the new way involves a mask, and the best mask you can have is the silk mask, because just to your body temperature, doesn't cause those small pimples called mask acne. So you will be really safe. So for most of you who are new here, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if you're a subscriber. Thanks for the support. Love you lots. Comment, share this video with your loved ones, like it. Continue watching other videos on this channel in 1, 2, 3 and go.